In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk create videos on Canva. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Canva on your device and sign in to your Canva account. Once you're signed in to your Canva account, go ahead and look for a template that you can use for bulk creating videos on Canva. You can also create videos from scratch if you prefer to do that. So to be able to search for templates on Canva, go ahead and click on the search your content and canvas, and in here go ahead and look for the template that you want to use for your videos that you want to create in bulk on Canva. So in here, just go ahead and explore the Canva templates by scrolling down in this section. As you can see in here, there are a diverse selection of templates that you can choose from on Canva. You can find free templates along with templates that are only available for pro users. So in here, just go ahead and click on the template that you want to use. You can check each of this template further by clicking on the specific template. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to find suggestions similar to the template that you just clicked. So click on the customize this template to be able to customize this template for your videos. Now in here, just go ahead and wait for this page to load. On the left corner of your screen, you'll find the apps button, which is below the projects button. So go ahead and click on apps to be able to search for apps on Canva. So in here, just go ahead and look for bulk create. Use the search bar and search for bulk create. Bulk create is a Canva application that you can use to bulk create videos on Canva. So just go ahead and click on bulk create. After that, in here, as you can see, the first thing that you'll need to do is to add your data. You can enter data manually and you can upload your data in CSV, XLSX, and TSV. And since I want to enter my data manually, I'll just go ahead and click on the enter data manually and clear this table. So in here, go ahead and create a label for this column. So you'll need to create a label for adding data later on. So using ChatGPT, go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate a few codes that you can use for bulk creating videos. And this section, go ahead and paste each of these codes that you've got from ChatGPT. You can add as many cells as you want, as many columns and rows as you prefer and need on creating bulk videos on Canva. Now once you're done with this, you can just go ahead and hit on the done button at the bottom right corner of your screen to be able to save this data. The next thing that you'll need to do is to click on the text where you want to apply this data to. So right click on the text and click on the connect data button. And here, go ahead and click on this, click on the continue and click on generate for designs to be able to bulk create designs using these codes for the video that you've just selected. And this will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to find the generated video based on your Excel file and the template that you've used for your video. And that's how you can simply bulk create videos on Canva. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.